Hi friends, I just got in my design team goodies for scrapbookingstore.com, and I'm on the design team, so they do send me these things, which is ever so kind of them. So this is the kit, and then I also get the upgrades, which are over there. I'll show you them in a moment. So let's see what this is. It is Echo Park Summer Fun. So I see lots of florals so far. I love this toucan. So let's open it up and see what we've got in here. It says there are 12 by 12 double-sided papers, including one cover and an element sticker. I am rubbish at getting those back in, so yeah, that'll just get put to the side to be used for mixed media stuff, because no, that's not going to happen. All right, so we have this sheet. The back side of this, the back side of this is a 12 by 12, 3 by 4 cards. So let's see. I like these sunnies that say, well, hello. There's my toucan again. We have a cute little pineapple with a floral scene. Summer treats, and that's in a really nice baby blue. So yeah, they're very, very cute. Really nice large embellishment piece. So it's not like we have die cuts that came with this collection, but these are definitely pieces you can make into die cuts. And that's on the back of the advertising, and I love when they do that so that you can actually get some more traction. Now, if this were a backside, you know how it's front, back, whatever. This is really fun. We have these leafy frond bits, but we also have 2 tones of pink in there. And this isn't just a white background. It's almost like the palest green ever. So we have that. Let me get this out of the way so I can show you bit by bit. Our next sheet, and I didn't tell you, this one's called journaling cards for good reason. So this is called Summer Floral, and this is a really gorgeous deep tulip pink with little plus signs on the diagonal. So absolutely great, 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 great background. And here is the flip side, which is really strong floral, great pieces for fussy cutting. You have all of these little bits that you can layer up, and I will be fussy cutting that out, I am sure. Our next paper is called Sweet Stripes. So lots of cute watermelon pieces here. I used to love scrapbooking pictures of my kids eating watermelon, but they're big. It's not as cute now. And here's a nice diagonal stripe with a really light cream color in between. And now this is a charcoal black. I'm not sure how it's coming out on camera, but it's definitely like a deep charcoal, not a jet black. So our next one, oh my goodness, is called Sweet Treats. So this is a really nice, kind of like a grayed out wood grain. So I would have it go in that direction, but I do love that. And the flip side for Sweet Treats, this one makes sense. Pale pink background with cute little ice cream cones. So that's really cute too. It'd be really easy to do a background with that one. Our next sheet is called Splash into Summer. So we have a tone on tone, kind of aqua and teal kind of thing with a little bit of distressing. So that is cool. So Splash into Summer. And then the back of that are all these splash marks, and these are in all the colors of the entire collection. So that's really fun to bring all the colors in. And then we have, this is cute, Summer Blossoms. So this is that deep tulip pink again, pretty much this color, but with tone on tone with polka dots and some really nice light distressing. All right, so that is that one. And then the flip side of that is this right here. So it's that really deep black charcoal kind of background, but you have a much tighter floral in it with all the colors in the entire collection. All right, so let's take a look at the sticker sheet. Okay, this is kind of like where the magic is going to happen. So we've got this really, really great border sticker here that you can pop up and do all of that. Banner stickers. And it's kind of wide, so you can almost do kind of like a swag. And we have some border stickers here, really great word bits, title stuff right there, more title work right here. And then you have lots of goodies you can use in different sizes for die cuts. Like look at that cute little bicycle with a balloon shooting up. So this would be really cute. You can have the bike going down and a couple pop dots up for the balloon bits to give a little dimension. So that's super fun. And this is the kind of thing I would use a nice dark charcoal ink with. So that is cool. Let me see, I'm getting kind of is that like a funny Oh, sorry. I don't know. Little tiny bit of a weird glare. Okay, so this is what I have for this. Now for my upgrades, we have the American Crafts Party. It's 4 decorative trims in a really nice turquoise. So we have a bit of a shiny ribbon. We've got these banner pieces that are flat, but they're sewn together. Really cute twine, so in case you want to make tags or anything like that. As well as, what would my grandmother have called that? Rick-rack, brick-rack, rick-a-rack, something like that. The next thing we do have is 15 feet of this Echo Park decorative tape, washi tape, whatever you want to call it. It is from the I Love Summer collection, and it's full of super cute little pineapples with flower bits. So you see that it works really, really well with this collection. Now, of course, if you want this to be more opaque, put it on a piece of white cardstock and it would be a really bright color. But as it stands, if you put it onto a paper, you're going to be able to see beneath it a little bit. And then finally, we get these die cut shapes by Dear Lizzie. These are all kinds of cute frames, and there's 14 of them, and there's holographic. So I'm going to go grab some holographic alphas to bring into this kit, because that will be fun to see which ones I have and where. So there's 4 of these smaller little square ones. Then we have a medium size, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like. Look at the holographic on that. And then it looks like there might be 5 of these larger frames. So lots of fun colors, lots of fun patterns to mix. Yeah, so it's 5, 5, and then 4. So that is the kit and the upgrades for, dare I even say, August 2020 for scrapbookingstore.com. So I wanted to show this to you so I can start creating with it. I hope you love this kit as much as I do, to do lots of our fun summer scrappy pictures. Look at that right there. Look at how cute is that? Hello, summer. Okay, just saw that, thought it was cute. And I always love when they include these little words that you can just tuck into your clusters. Okay, that's really, really it. All right, bye friends.